Hello everyone and welcome to the official YouTube channel of DTU Central Library. Today I will show you how to use DSpace, the digital repository of Delhi Technological University. In this video I will explain you how you can browse, search and upload content easily. Okay, let's get started. What if there was a place where all of DTU's research work, thesis and academic papers were stored and made easily available? Well, that is exactly what DSpace does. Let's explore how it works. Okay, let's get started. For that, you need to open any browser and then type DSpace DTU and click enter. Then click on the first link, DSpace Delhi Technological University home, and it will land you on the home page of the DSpace. This is the interface, and here you can see all the communities. You can discover by author, subject and date issued.
Right, let me explain how you can search for content. To begin, you need to click on the browse option. Here is the browse option, and here you can see that you can search through communities and collection. Clicking on this will allow you to explore DTU's content department wise. Here you can see annual MTech Applied Chemistry departments at 38 content. You can click on this and you can explore all the content. This is the issue date, this is the title, this is the author. You can explore anyone and you can click on this, and this will provide you all the details like title, author, keywords, issue date, and this is the abstract of the document. And here you can download in this view open option. Here you can download the full document. Here you can see this is the document. You can read this document or you can download this document. Apart from this, you can search using author, issue date, title, subject. Okay, now let's search a document with the title, like I will type biotechnology. It will provide me the documents or content which is related to biotechnology. These are the content. You can click on anyone and you can
sort the data by title, and you can arrange the data in ascending or descending order. You can see result pages and you can filter according to the author.
Want to stay informed about new content related to a specific author, subject or department? Then you need to register on DSpace. For that, you need to go on to sign in option, and here you can see my DSpace, receive email updates, edit profile. Click on my DSpace, and here you can see new user. Click here to register. If you are a new user, then you need to register here. I am already registered. That's why I am using my login credentials and login. After login, you will see this type of interface. Here you can see receive email updates. By clicking this, you will get on this page. Here you can choose the collection in which you want to subscribe, and then you need to subscribe that. Here you can see I have already subscribed Applied Chemistry department. I have chosen Applied Mathematics department for new subscription and click subscribe. After this, you can easily get email whenever these both departments will upload something. And if you are a faculty member or a researcher, you can upload your work also. Just log in and go to start a new submission option. Here you will select the collection in which you want to upload, and then click next. Here I choose an electrical engineering. You will fill the details like author's name. I am typing. First you need to write the surname, and then you will write in the next box the name of the author. My author name is Ram Joshi. And next one is title. You need to write the title. I am writing the title Future of Electronics. Then you will select the date of issue, publisher, citation, serial number. Then you will select the type, whichever type of document you have, and if the term is not listed, then choose other. Then language and next. Okay, date of issue. You need to write date of issue. I'm writing date of issue and year. Then next. Then you will describe the content. Here you will write some keywords like whichever a user is searching for document, what will land the user on this document, and then extract, sponsor.
Click on next, and here you will upload your file. Select a fly all drag and drop option, then click next. Here you can see the Future of Electronic Titles PDF, then click on next. Then you can see all the details of the document, author, title, publisher, subject, abstract, all of these are written. Then click on next, and here it will ask you to grant the license. When you grant the license, your document is uploaded on DSpace, and it will look like this. Like this is the document which is uploaded and submitted to this department. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video.